How to change Brave browser app language. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change Brave browser app language. Now to do this is very simple. Just ensure that you watch this video to the end. And the first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Brave browser app installed on your PC, just like I have mine here. And then once you have it installed, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now on this page, the next thing for you to do is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you would see three dashes, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed showcasing some options. Just scroll down until you see the settings options, and then you click on it. So once you click on the settings options, you take it to the settings page. On this page, you would see the get started page, and then by the left side of the screen you'll see other options as well. Just scroll down until you see the languages option, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, you will take it to the page where you'd see preferred languages. That is where we are headed to in this tutorial, and then you'll see the language in which your site is being displayed. And if you can't find any of the language that you want to change it to here, just go to the top part of the box and then click on add languages, and then you'll see a list of languages here. So you can just select the one you want to add. All right, and then click on add. So once you click on add, that language will be added automatically to your Brave browser. So if you want your browser to be displayed in this particular language, just click on display Brave in this language by checking the box next to it, and just like that the language will be changed. So this is how you can change language in Brave browser. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.